Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Catja. Catja has been trading with us from February 26, 2021 up until the present day of 30th of June 2021. Catja has a daily gain of 0.07%, a monthly gain of 2.03%, and a drawdown of 3.30%. Catja is now managing $30,000 after passing stage 1 of the FTP program. So Catja has had a total of 192 trades. Looking at the advanced statistics, she's won 89 trades out of 192 trades, which represents 46%, and lost 103 out of 192, which represents 54%. At the end of the day, I always tell traders, and I'm happy traders like Nelson and Catja on my present review and my previous review. You don't have to be right all the time, but you can still make profit and hit 10%. Catja has lost 54% of her trades, but still made 10%. How's that possible? This is what we're going to investigate. And again, congratulations. But there's always room for improvement, because getting the first 10% is the hardest part. But when you look at your mistakes and your wrongs and you make a solid trading plan, you can always come back and even make better, faster, quicker, and more consistently and with a disciplined manner. Looking at the trades that you've taken, you've traded quite a few pairs, literally quite a few. But what I'd like to say in your situation, I will stick to the pairs that has given me the most pips. And out of all of them, I can see the Euro Swiss franc, Pound CHF, Pound New Zealand dollar, Pound US dollar, and New Zealand dollar yen. These pairs are giving you the most gains, and I'll recommend you stick to them and ignore all the other pairs, because less is more. If you focus on these 4 pairs, I guarantee you're going to get more sniper entries and more consistent gains. That's just a very good tip I'll recommend. Also, let's have a look at your history log. Your history log, I'm very impressed where you have stop losses in place. This is very good. Some traders don't use stop losses, and some of them don't have take profits, or they have vice versa. But I do recommend you have a stop loss and take profit in point. But I do know it's very important to have a stop loss, because you control the trade and you don't experience uncertainty, and you know the maximum amount of dollars you're willing to risk. So congratulations on that, on this hard achievement. Looking at your trades, we can see definitely you're definitely a consistent trader. Your stop losses are always in place, so I can't fault you on that. But there's always room for improvement. But having a stop loss as a trader is always a big sign of responsibility, and obviously demonstrating the room to grow and be better. In February, you had nothing. You didn't trade in the month when you joined. You made 1.15% in March, minus 0.5% in April, 3.88% in May, and 3.97% in June, the current month, where we still got one more day or a few hours for you to add more to these statistics. So congratulations, Catja, on hitting your 10%. And I'd like to take these considerations on board and join the AudaCity community app, where that'll give you the opportunity to network with like-minded traders and pick traders like myself and other traders. And on top of that as well, it will help you build up your confidence, because the psychological advantage and psychology is the most important thing in this business. Remember, you can be right or wrong and still make profit, as you've demonstrated on this account. So I challenge you to actually improve your increase in your winning stakes and reduce your losses overall.